In December at the Bridges, we had 5 sales, which is really unheard of. Some of them were really good deals, beautiful houses, lots of amenities. It sure does seem like at the Bridges, most of the time you get more for your money. 16902 Bridge Crossing was a Somerset model, 3,537 square feet, sold for $1,629,000. That comes out to $460 per square foot. This house was only on the market for 0 days. It was completely upgraded. They converted the loft on the second level into a proper bedroom. All the rooms in this house had closet organizers. This house had no pool or a lake view. Regardless, this home was upgraded recently and they did a very nice job. 1.629 is a good value for this house. 8410 Eagleville Avenue is a one-level Victoria model, 3,352 square feet, sold for $1,812,500. That comes out to $540 a square foot, and this house took 33 days to sell. It had a gorgeous kitchen with Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances overlooking the pool, hardwood floors in the bedrooms, and oversized tiles everywhere else. It had a large turfed backyard with a pool overlooking the lake. Absolutely beautiful house. 8539 Lewis River Road is a single-level Paseo model, 3,249 square feet, sold for $1,550,000. That comes out to $477 per square foot. It took 12 days to sell. This was a well-appointed, very basic house with a pretty nice kitchen. Although the pool area was a different story. It had a really nice pool with a jacuzzi and a waterfall overlooking the lake. Beautiful yard. 8199 Lost Creek Lane, a Sydney model, 3,339 square feet, sold for $1,550,000. That comes out to $393 a square foot. This house took 109 days to sell. It was an oversized lot, not too many noteworthy upgrades besides the crown moldings and millwork throughout, but it had a basic pool with no lake view. 16579 Ambassador Bridge Road is a Paseo model, 3,249 square feet, sold for $1,425,000. That comes out to $438 per square foot. It took 68 days to sell. This was another basic model, but it was well appointed. It had a nice double island kitchen, nice closet organizers, and it had a pool overlooking the lake, but that's about it. If you find value in watching these videos I make about what's sold at Lotus, Boca Bridges, Seven Bridges, or The Bridges, please feel free to like, follow, subscribe, or even leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time on the next market report. Thanks again.